our King Jewelry website, which is our project work. And last 3 months we worked a lot and we learned a lot. Today, first Roop will come and start our presentation, and after that, the other guys will come. So I like to invite.
Sorry, one of you can sit down and change the slide. That's all right. Okay.
Sometimes it makes confused.
Okay.
So I will like to invite Roop and continue with the presentation. Thanks.
Thank you, everybody. My name is Rupinder. I'm going to introduce a brief. I'm going to give a brief introduction about our project. Our name of project is King's Jewelry e-commerce website, and King's Jewelry has very good background in jewelry field, but the thing is they don't have any existing e-commerce system. The new management want us to develop an e-commerce system for their existing business. That's why we developed this website. The duration for this whole project is 42 days. And these are the products we're gonna sell on our website. There's a men's jewelry, women's jewelry, kids jewelry, and jewelry for others. And this, now coming to the project organization, our project manager, Muhammad Ghulam Arif, designers Sudeep and Rupinder, analysts Rupinder and Arif, developers Arif and Sandeep, and tester Fuad and Sandeep. This is all about the first model of our King Jewelry website. The whole project management cost total 46% of the overall budget, and hardware cost for the website is 2%, and for software it's 38%, and for testing 4%, training and support 1%, and we have a little bit share for the contingency reserve, that's 9%. Overall our budget is 1,500 Australian dollars. We use agile methodology for our project because we can firstly have planning and we can do on it, we can make changes and we can take action on our work. That's all on the part. Now Arif will come for the further explanation of our project.
Thank you, sir. In my part, I would like to explain the use case diagram, sequence diagram, context diagram, data flow diagram, entity relationship diagram, data architecture, functional requirement, and forward and backward traceability of our project for the King's Jewelry e-commerce website. First, I would like to explain the use case diagram of our system. There are 3 actors. First one is web customer, and the second one is admin, and the third actor is the third-party services. Mainly we use some third-party services in our website, that's why we take this actor. The customer, they can access our website. Anyone, if you like, you can currently access the website and get information about the website. The functionality said about that, get information of the website. Then the second functionality, this functionality is accessed by the customer, web customer, and the admin. The second one is receive newsletters. It's actually optional. If the customer wants, they can subscribe for the newsletters. Otherwise, it's not necessary. When they are registering, they can do that. Otherwise, they can manage from the profile. And the third functionality is the browse products catalogs. Any customer can browse any products from the catalog, and the admin also can access the catalog. The other things is wish list, manage products, manage stocks, manage accounts. Manage accounts is actually accessed by both the admin and the customers, web customers. And make and water, actually water is made by the user, so I just connect it with the users, the web user. And the authentication is verified by the admin and the third-party authentication actors. And the next one is payment. When anyone wants to buy any product from our website, then this functionality will come, the payment system. And after that, when payment is done, the shipment is coming. And after that, the receipt confirmation, when the payment is done and the shipment is done, the receipt confirmation goes to customer and the actors. And the last one is the feedback. Anyone can leave feedback, anyone can ask any question if they like. And the last one is the promotional offers. Sometimes we give promotional offers. This is a detailed description of our view items, view catalog. In the view item, the search, they can search the item, browse the items, view recommended items, add to shopping cart, and add to wish list. This all three, like this is extend, because these are inherited from the view items, and this is include for the customer authentication, and it is dependent on this one, the customer authentication. Next one is sequence diagram.